Why? They're malfunctioning. That's why the Bible says, walk in love. I like what Jesus said. Christ didn't leave love as an option to his followers. He says, this is my commandment. Why? It's for your own protection. And since you mightn't do it, I'll command you to do it. Matter of fact, love is so important for the functioning of the human spirit that God even tells you to love your enemies. Why? You function by it. You want to see a frustrated person who's getting sick and fat and disappointed and eating too much and all messed up? Let their love life fall apart. See, people get all twisted when their relationships are messed up. Why? Because they're not walking any longer in love. So now they begin to get sick. I mean, when somebody jilted you, you didn't want to go to work the next day. Jilted means you get roach. Some of y'all don't know what jilt means. Tell your neighbor, I need love to function. Say it again. I need love to function. Now repeat after me. I need to love to function. So I forgive everybody right now, so my faith can work. We function like God. Faith also functions by what? Speaking. That's how God functions. Everything God did, he spoke it. And when you read Genesis chapter 1, the entire universe was created by God's words. And God said, verse 3, and God said, verse 6, and God said, verse 9, and God said, verse 11, and God said, verse 14, and God said, verse 20, and God said, verse 24, and God said, verse 26. In other words, the whole first chapter, all those verses, God spoke and things happened. Then God says, let us make a man just like us. That means everything you are right now and have and don't have, you said. That's why the Bible says to us very clearly, it says, listen, humans, if you're weak, don't say it. Oh, you missed it. He said, let the weak say, I'm strong. Tell your neighbor, I'm strong. See, some of y'all came in here with a little bit of aches, a little tired. Listen, don't ever say, I'm tired. Come on, say, I'm strong. Lift your hand and say, I'm strong. Say, I'm just like my father. And I am strong. Say it 3 times. I am strong. I am strong. I am strong. I am strong. Now guess what? Faith is saying it until it manifests.